Welcome to this quick guide on precision medicine.
Precision medicine is a newer way to find the right treatment for each patient, based on the specific cancer subtype.
Your genes, sometimes called your DNA, are molecules that control how your body makes other molecules, called proteins. In cancer, the genes and proteins that make up one person's cancer can be very different from another person's cancer.
As a first step in using precision medicine, your doctor may measure your cancer biomarkers. A biomarker is a sign of disease or abnormal function that can be measured in your blood, tissue, or bodily fluid. Biomarkers tell your doctor about the subtype of the cancer in your body. Biomarkers can be proteins, genes, or gene mutations. Biomarkers have names. The name is usually a 3- or 4-letter abbreviation. Examples include HER2 in breast cancer or EGFR in lung cancer. Biomarkers tell your doctor about the subtype of the cancer in your body. The same cancer subtype can occur in different cancer types. For example, the biomarker HER2 can be found in lung, breast, and stomach cancers. Your doctor may be able to use your biomarker information to guide your treatment options.
Before, the only option was to treat all cancers of one type, such as lung or breast cancer, with the same standard treatment. Instead, in precision medicine, doctors use biomarker testing to find your subtype of cancer. Results of these tests show which treatment is likely to work best for you. For example, your doctor could decide to use a targeted therapy drug that targets your specific cancer subtype. Targeted therapy drugs keep cancer from growing and spreading with less harm to cells that are not cancer. They may have different side effects than other treatments because they are better able to attack your cancer cells and leave healthy cells alone.
In addition to helping choose targeted therapies, biomarkers in precision medicine can be used to predict your risk of developing cancer, understand the makeup of your cancer and how it changes over time, judge how well your body would respond to a specific treatment, look for early signs of how well your body responds to a specific treatment, and get a sense of how quickly your cancer might grow or spread.
Here's a more specific example. 1 in 5 patients with breast cancer have tumors with high levels of a gene called HER2. High levels of the HER2 gene lead to high levels of the HER2 protein, which helps the cancer grow. These types of tumors are called HER2 positive. Researchers have been working on creating targeted therapies for HER2 positive tumors for more than 20 years. As a result, there are now multiple drugs available that specifically target HER2-positive tumors in different ways. Thanks to these treatments, patients with early HER2-positive breast cancer are far more likely to survive longer. And thanks to biomarker testing, doctors know not to give anti-HER2 therapies to people whose breast cancer is not HER2-positive, since it won't help them.
Precision medicine is sometimes called personalized medicine. This does not mean that treatments are created in a personalized fashion on a patient-by-patient basis, although this does happen in some immunotherapy treatments. What it means is that treatments can be developed for groups of patients whose cancers all share a specific cancer subtype. This means that our traditional way of thinking about cancer, based on where the cancer is found in the body, is changing. Now, doctors know that there are targeted therapy drugs that work in specific cancer subtypes across many different cancer types.
A current limitation of precision medicine is that each new targeted therapy tends to benefit only a small group of patients at a time. This is because targeted therapies are made for patients whose cancers share a specific biomarker. While this information is known in some cases, there are many tumor types researchers have not found targeted therapies for yet.
Doctors and researchers are working all the time to understand which biomarkers are linked to each patient's particular type of cancer. They are also working to find which treatments will work best against those biomarkers.
Currently, targeted therapies are only used for some types of cancers. However, research is ongoing and the list is expected to grow. There may not be an approved drug that targets the biomarkers in your tumor type, but many targeted therapies are now in clinical trials and may be approved in the future. Precision medicine isn't available for all cancer patients yet. Stay informed throughout your treatment. Precision medicine is changing quickly. New targeted therapies are developed every year. To learn more about precision medicine, visit Cancer Support Community's precision medicine web pages.